We didn't tie the brisket in the brisket recipe because the shape of a brisket is flat and it's meant to be that way. But a lot of roasts, like this bottom round roast here, it's round and it's cylindrical. And we want to keep that nice cylindrical shape while we roast it. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take a long piece of butcher twine and we're going to wrap it around the bottom half here and make a little knot with a very long tail. Then we're going to make a loop with that tail, pull it up and under the meat, cinch it tight, make another loop, pull that over the front of the meat, cinch it tight. We're going to bring those both under the meat and tie them together. This time we're going to use 3 separate pieces of butcher twine, each one about twice as long as the meat is. Put one down at the bottom around the waist of the meat, the circumference, tie a little knot. Tie it twice to hold it tight. Let's repeat that in the middle of the meat. And then we'll do it again at the far end. So again, we have the meat being held tight in 3 places, but 3 separate pieces of string. Choice is yours.